request Mr. Prashant Joshi, Dealer Principal, Goa Hyundai, to please welcome Mr. Mohammad Zafar Khan, the CEO of Goa Natural Gas Private Limited. Thank you for joining us, Mr. Khan. Next, I request Mr. Prakash, the Marketing Head of India, Adani Gas Private Limited, with a bouquet of flowers.
It's just the beginning. Today I'm talking only about the Hyundai brand. Hyundai, we have now, earlier we had only two models in the CNG. They were the big cylinder was fitted behind. Now it is still running, but many times when it comes to taxi trade, people find it difficult to saman dorpak the block vessels. So Hyundai has patented the dual cylinder. Now the cylinders are going right under the इकन तक प्रोविजन का तो कोई स्पेस कंप्लीट अवेलेबल for your luggage. So with that, you don't even feel that different the option on this vehicle. You have petrol as well as you can run on petrol. And if you find that you want to switch on to CNG, as against the petrol mileage of 17-18 kilometers a liter in standard condition. On the CNG you can get more than 24-26 kilometers. It's a big saving. The cost of CNG unit is much less than the cost of petrol. It's a big thing. Initially there was a problem with sufficient station actually, but now both these companies have decided to add more stations. It takes time. It's an investment to be done by petrol pump guys. So they are planning, and as is Jafar Bhai said, that whatever they are doing today will be presently sufficient for to take care of the present market. So with that we hope, and as I mentioned, we would request the government of Goa to reduce the road tax on these vehicles, because the government also is very keen to promote green energy to preserve the environment of the state. It is a tourist state, and then there is certain commitment given by the state government to the central government that within so many years we reduce the carbon footprint to a particular level. For that, from our side also, we will try to help the government in promoting more and more CNG vehicles by reduction of road tax on this vehicle. Customer will find it much beneficial to buy the vehicle, because we will realize that आपण आपल्या खरोखर benefit मिळतात. Government is really serious to give me this benefit and promote the for clean environment. Government is very keen to promote it. So that is what we are planning. Let's hope we succeed. We will take up the matter with the government. Earlier we had taken up the matter because there was a VAT of 12.5%. Convince the government that bring it down to 4% or 4.5%. The government has got convinced, and they're done. Because again, the cost of unit कमी झाला नाही. पण इथं 12.5% टॅक्स पडता 4% आलं की त्याचा कॉस्ट पण रिड्यूस झाला. We want to give as much as benefit to the buyers of these vehicles, so that what happens is they are attracted towards this proposal. At the same time, it becomes very economical for them to run the pocket of the महिन्याचा खर्च कमी झाला पेट्रोल and diesel. So let's hope. Today we have launched this project. We are also displaying our cars. They are fitted with normal cylinder and the dual cylinder. You will be able to see and experience yourself. That's all about our. No, CNG vehicles because sufficient station nationally. There is one station in Pandi and some old Goa. भितर फोंडा बिंडाचा नाशिक आता फोंडा आयला मडगांव आयला आता वेर्णा आणि त्या एरियान येता हायवे. So it takes time because it's a CNG by the better tool man, and the installation of the tank has to be done. Certain safety norms which have to be followed by the petrol pump owner. They require a certain space, some security, all that is there. Which has taken time. So now things are being done. With at least both companies together, we will have more than 20 stations in Goa. It is sufficient. They took a fine Madgajan पण जे होता तो काही सेशन मिळालं आणि fill it up and go. There is no need because आमच्याकडे twin cylinder. It's sufficient for you to run for few days. So that is why this event has been organized, to let people know through your medium. Say, Baba, CNG can try that. Not only for taxi, for even individual, it is much beneficial now. This dual cylinder, the issue of keeping luggage is solved. It's like a normal vehicle. Outside you'll see it's like a normal vehicle. You can't make out there's a CNG.
This initiative I had been trying for long. In fact, this word Goa Drive Green was given by me when we initiated this program 1.5 years back. The idea was that at least we should get some kind of work for the betterment of the Goa, which is a fuel which is already available in Goa but not being used very widely. So we are putting CNG station, but at the same time we are also monitoring that sales of vehicles and sales of the CNG is not very much. So with this concept and idea, we introduce ourselves making some kind of incentivize for making the CNG vehicles more and more safe to Goa. Because the more vehicles will get penetration in the market, definitely it will have impact on the sale of CNG as well. So it is a win-win situation for company like Goa Natural Gas, customer like who will be buying the CNG, as well as for the environmental as a whole, in a holistic view, if you say that it will be complete package for everything, right from the go, starting from the individual to the sales point of view, to the industry customer and dealership, and as well as for the environmental of the Goa to protect our planet. So that was the idea behind that. We came up with some kind of scheme for providing the betterment of this vehicle, betterment of the safety vehicle, betterment of the environment, betterment of the individual as well. Yes, I can assure you that we are in a gradually putting up more and more CNG station. We have a plan 4 more CNG station to be operational in the next 5-6 months, maybe by March 25. We are having at least 11 CNG station, which is I understand is likely to be average sufficient for catering the existing demand. But at the same time, we have to make our presence in a beach area like Baga, Kaligod, where most of the tourists are coming. And in Goa, there is a floating demand as well. When the tourist season comes up from October to March, a lot of vehicles coming from the Mumbai, Karnataka, they need a CNG availability. They look for the CNG. So my next target would be ourselves to position more number of stations in Goa, so that whenever the people come from the outside, even from the local as well, they should not have any kind of feeling that CNG is very difficult to achieve or arrive, or it is not available much as possible as it is in neighboring state like Mumbai and Karnataka and Bangalore. So my next target to make at least 11 CNG station operational by 25 March, and then of course it is a continuous basis process. It will continue, and maybe next year it will have a 15 and 20. And considering the size of the Goa city, Goa state, is 15-20 stations in North Goa, and similarly Adani has also have some 11 stations. So put together 25 to 30 stations are roughly available in the next couple of years, so which will match the demand of the CNG requirement in the whole pan Goa state.
Good that Goa is doing because Goa is known for its environment, greenery and all. So we are working to promote this CNG to make and sustain Goa as a greener state. So as you all know that Goa is importing its electricity from outside, from other states like Maharashtra and Karnataka. So these EVs and all are the future, but to bridge the gap between the future and present, these CNG cars would play a very big role now. So this would not only benefit the this environment, but also benefits the residents of Goa by minimizing their cost of fuel. See, we already have operational 7 stations in South Goa, and we are looking forward to open more 4 stations now by March 25. And till 26 we will be opening around 5 more. So total will be around 13 stations in South Goa. It is a good initiative. It will not only boost the sales of the vehicles, it will also boost the sales of CNG in Goa, and will make CNG a preferable fuel for the Goans.
As we are aware, these 3 stunning pieces of beauty. Lead the hero excellence by continuing to lead innovation. With the Goa As we have now come to the end of today's meeting, I request Mr. Akash Chaudhary to kindly
It was a great experience today with all of you reviews here. And I think it's a great innovation from Hyundai towards sustainability and green environment. And we take it from heart, and we look out on the support, sir, to continually increase the CNG market share in Goa and in India. Thank you all of you for coming. Thank you. Thank you.
स्लोगन भी गाए ना सर.